Please, Garnacho. Oh my god! Oh my... Stop, please, 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 please. Oh my god! Hello everybody, welcome to a Future Stars pack opening. Today we are hunting for the Garnacho. Yeah, this is going to be like the Team of the Year hunt, but instead it's Future Stars. We have got 4 packs saved up. Team of the Year has wasted my club, but I will be building more packs during the video, so yeah. Let's just get straight into this video. Right, we're gonna start off with this premium gold pack, players pack. You never know. Ooh. No, that's nothing. That dear. Yeah, that yeah. We're not getting anybody good, are we? Right, okay. Let's hope for someone else, maybe. Come on. 82 Rick, come on. We gotta get Future Stars in there, surely. David Alaba. It's a walkout. Oh no, it's not a walkout, is it? It's not a walkout, is it? I forgot he's not a walkout. Fuck. 8-1 double, please. Future Stars, Future Stars. Oh, for fuck's sake. Garnacho, man. I want to see Garnacho. Sadio Mane. No. Dyer. Hello again, friend. Give me a Garnacho. Garnacho, please. Come on. Tony Cruz. Fuck off. Fuck off. Nah. Hey, it's a walkout. It's a walkout to start the video with. But let's move on and build some more packs. Right, so I've got 2 completed now of the 82 upgrades. So yeah, let's see if we get anyone of this. Like, my club is actually mothered, like, no joke. Right, we get a guy from Bayern Munich. Right. We don't get anyone else. Oh god. Alright, please. Garnacho. Oh my god! Oh my god! French. CDM. Fuck off. Hey, we get a Future Stars though, so I ain't complaining. I ain't complaining about that. Like, we get a Future Stars. We get a Future Stars. I can't complain about that. Like, but yeah. So I've added counter, guy. I've added counter, I have. So let's change that counter. Hold up. We've got a Future Stars, and we've packed one. We have packed one. Alright, let's hope for the Garnacho later in the video, though. Come on! Right, so we've got another 82 upgrade. We've just packed the Future Stars in one. Can we get Alejandro Garnacho or Jeremy Doku? Because my friend Foot FG will be fuming if I get Doku. Right, okay. Fuck! Oh, come on, man. Come on. Aye, we get an 85 though, so at least we ain't get 82, so that's good. Like, we ain't get 82, so let's just move on with more packs. So we have got ourselves an 81 double and an 84 regular players pack from a daily play objective, and we've got ourselves an 83 times 3. So let's see if we get a Future Stars in this. Come on, EA. You know you want to give me someone good. Come on, EA. Please. Please. Gonna start with an 83 times 3. Come on. Oh, fuck's sake. Come on. Alright. Who's this?
Let's go! Come on!
Harry Kane. That's not bad. We gotta walk out. We gotta walk out. Harry Kane. Right, okay. 81 double, please. Oh, for fuck's sake. Come on. Alberto. I thought we were gonna get what's his face? Parejo. Right, moving on to the last pack, well, of this bit. Come on. Fuck's sake. French. Centre back. Ronaldo, okay. Okay. We will be back with more packs. Right, so we've got another 82 upgrade, please, come on. Oh, for fuck's sake. Don't be Cobalt. We'll put him into the fucking next one we are. Great. So this is going to be my sign to get Garnacho. We're going to put a 90 rated player in. We are. Kane. And an 87. Let's see if we actually get someone. Right, so we're going to see if Kane gives us some luck in this. Come on, EA. I know you want to reward me a Garnacho or Ronaldinho. Come on. Come on. Let's see your future stars in this pack. No. Oh, okay. Mario Goethe, he'd be the future star back in the day, fair play. Right, so I have built 10 gold upgrade packs. Let's see if we get a future stars in this. First pack, here we go. Our team of the week, no. Left back, Jordi Alba. No, Reguilon. No, Reguilon's at Brentford. Change it to 2. Go on, please. Oh, what the fuck's this? Brazil. There's Paqueta. No. Who's this? Oh, Romania. No, not Romania. See if we get a future stars of these packs. Come on. Okay, this is a walkout. French. Right wing. This. Oh, I think I know who this is. She was crap. Diani. Oh, we get a walkout. We get a walkout. That ain't too bad. That ain't too bad. Yeah, Aubameyang. Alright, come on, please. EA, give me a future stars. We're gonna go this pack here. Is that a Modric? No, Brozovic. We've got decent polls. We've got a good fodder so far. Come on, please. Oh, for fuck's sake. This John Stones or Greenwood? John Stones. City fans would be happy for this. Who's this? Parejo. Fucking called it. I called it. I called it was Parejo. Alright, let's see. Come on. Yeah, it's no other person in the park. Come on, please. Third pack. How's this? Centre back.
I'm Chris Smalling.
Chris Smalling. Right, okay, we have enough fodder here. Please. Hell is this? DDM. Lamer. That's so fucking lame.
This is great banter.
Right, come on, please. 2 Ringo players pack. Last one. No one. There's literally fucking no one. Woo! Right, so we've built more 82 pluses. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we get someone. We're gonna move on to the lot. Ooh. Okay, right wing, Berardi. We get a board. We get a board. That ain't bad. Or third pack. Oh, for fuck's sake. Heiberg. Right, okay, Heiberg. Called it. Right, please, yeah, give me someone good. Give me Alejandro Garnacho. Who's this? Left back, Cancelo. No, Nuno Mendes. Please, yeah. I'm gonna do a nose pack. You ready? Please. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right, okay, the nose pack don't work. Oh, what other pack? I'm gonna do a toe pack. Fuck it. I'm doing a toe pack. Come on, please. Right, I'm never doing them type of packs again. Right, okay, so we have built 10 more packs. We're probably gonna get fuck all of these, but come on, please. Please, yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, it's Cobalt. No, it's actually not Cobalt for once. Wow. What is this? I'm gonna go 5th pack here. 5th. Come on. Ooh. Brazil, right back. We're getting fuck all of these, and we someone good, please. That's all I asked for. We're gonna go the last pack by a. Oh, go on. Brazil, center attacking mid. We got icon, please, please. Oh no, we're getting fuck all. Ah. But yeah, come on, please, please, yeah. EA, give me a Garnacho. A Garnacho will be alright. Oh, for fuck's sake, EA. I don't want these players, man. I want Alejandro Garnacho or a Ronaldinho or Roberto Carlos. Roberto Carlos in his pack, please. Fuck's sake. Carvajal. Oh, it's Vasquez, actually. Doing a nose pack. That's Kevin De Bruyne in there. Fuck off.
One go.
Alright, okay. Please, yay. Nose pack. Give us a walkout, so. Is that Neuer? No, it's Leno. Right, okay. Come on, EA. EA, please. Please. A future star, please. Please, please, please. Oh my god! Oh my. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, for fuck's sake. We got one out of a gold fucking upgrade though. I guess for the counter. We get it again, but oh my god. We got the same one again. What do we do with it? Sailor is probably the best option right now. Oh god. Right, I'm begging for the. Alright, let's see the luck again. Oh no, that Courtois. We get a walkout. What? That ain't bad. That ain't bad. We get a walkout. We get a walkout. That ain't bad. Alright, let's go build some more packs. So we've got 5 more 82 upgrades. Please, can we get a player in this? Not a future star, I mean. Come on, future star in this pack. Oh, for fuck's sake. Rayo. No, the one from Barcelona. Yeah, right back from Barcelona. Like, come on, please. Fuck's sake. Who's this? Striker, Drog, no, not Drog, but Hala. Hala Madrid. I pray. The luck's run out now. We be getting good players, you know. Who's this? Hey, I know you want to give me a Garnacho. Okay. Busquets, right. Come on, please. Right. Fuck's sake, it's not a striker. If it was striker, I'd been happy, but. Okay. We move on. We move on anyway. Right, we're on our last upgrade pack. Come on. Rolfo. Nope. We're going to go on to another 82 upgrade though, so be right back. Right, we said in the last 82 upgrade out of the stream and the video. Then let's see if we get a future star, Garnacho, Maldini, Ronaldinho, or just anyone, please.
La caca.
We got 2 future stars, but it was the same fucking play, you know. But at least we pack 2. Well, that's one thing. You know, my struggle throughout Team of Year was to pack one until I spent money on the game. That's the whole point with EA. you spend money from, and you get something good. Like, but yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn the notifications on. Peace. And follow my socials, link down in the description. So yeah.